Hello friends, this is Rajan Petkar and you are watching Mastercam basic tutorials. In this video, we will discuss facing, roughing and finishing operations on the components shown in figure. By using Mastercam software, we will discuss all these operations and we need to draw only the sketch above the axis of rotation of the component. So, go to Mastercam. Here we will use line command to draw the sketch for diameter 20. We'll take here radial distance 10, then horizontally 30 distance, then for 10 increment in 10 mm increment in diameter 5 mm vertical line, then again 30, here horizontal line of 30. Now for this line, see here the distance will pick here first point, and for second directly give the coordinates from geometry -70 and 25. That's it. Just press enter and it will complete. Then horizontal line of 50. That's it. Escape. Now here we'll select the two entity for fillet of radius 5. Okay, then go to chamfer command, select these two entities. Here these are the two options for chamfer. Okay, chamfer for amount 2. Okay, now this is the sketch, complete sketch. Then go to machine, select machine type, lathe, default. Then expand the properties and stock setup. Here left side spindle will select, go to properties. Here we can use margin command and simply put the values here. Okay, now other option I will show here in this video. So untick this, and other option is make from 2 points. So this is the first point of geometry. So towards right side of this point, we'll click on first point for raw material, and this is last point of geometry. So leftward and slightly upward, that is second point of raw material. Okay, see here preview, press enter. Okay, then for chuck job, so here are types of chuck. So this type I have selected, first one, and I can use here from stock directly how much grip I want. So I will untick this. I will use another option, make from 2 point. So this is between these 2 points. I will click here first point of chuck and second point, then okay. So any one option I have to use here. Okay, so like this is the stock setup for raw material and chuck. So for both there were 2 options and I had used one option. Then here for facing I will select the tool, this one, for rough face. It will perform the facing operation. Next rough it, select here chain, and the first segment it will show this is start point and this is end point of the geometry. Okay, and this is the tool for roughing, rough right side tool. So like this the operation will be performed. Here is the tool path. Just hide all these operations, then finish. Now I am not selecting here chain. I will click on the first line, flip the direction here, and this is green colored for indicating first point, and click here on this line. This is last point of geometry without using chain command. Now for finishing the tool, here I will select this one, finish, right side tool. Then here are different finishing parameters. Okay, So you can use as per actual machining. We have to put the values here. So here default values I have used for this video. Okay, select all the operations by clicking on tool path and check here backplot option showing the tool path. Okay, then verify option for animation. Keep it in isometric view for better visualization. Then play. So this is how it will machine the component. Next, top view. Next we'll see here G1 this symbol for NC program NC file generation, that is part program we will generate for the selected operation. Save here with the name that we want, and it will generate the part program for this geometry. Okay, this is the part program. Just save this file. If you like this video, share with your friends and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.